Meaning of drunken.
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 Drunken. The term drunken refers to a state of intoxication induced by the consumption of alcohol. When a person is drunken, they may have difficulty walking, speaking clearly, making decisions, and coordinating their movements. Their judgment may become impaired, and they may lose their inhibitions, resulting in behaviors that they might not engage in when sober. Depending on the amount of alcohol consumed and other factors such as body weight and tolerance, being drunken can range from mild tipsiness to severe impairment of cognitive and physical abilities.